Hey everybody, Dawn with Wreath Decor by Dawn here. I talk about these little needles on my lives all the time, and I get a lot of questions about these. So I thought I would come on and show you guys real quick what we use them for. So what we use them for is helping us to get our attachments and things on our wreaths. They're called weaving needles. This is a grapevine wreath, and this is what they're really perfect for. On a grapevine wreath, these are plastic, so they bend. So helps you get your pipe cleaners or your wires on or through your grapevine with no problem. So I'm going to show you guys real quick on a grapevine. I'm going to put this one here. We're going to attach this sign. I'm going to go right through this grapevine, and I'm going to pull that pipe cleaner through there and bring it out the other side that quick. I'm going to do the same thing with this other pipe cleaner here. I'm going to go right around right where I put that one. So this just helps get this through, so you don't have to fight with the tight weave of the grapevine, and you don't wrestle with the wires going through it. So here's a mesh wreath. We've got the sign, and we have a bow. So you see all this big full mesh on here. So we just take this, put it through one side of the pipe cleaner, go down, or if you're using floral wire, which is really hard to get through a mesh wreath. So you just take that through and pull it down to the bottom, unhook it, come back up, grab the other wire, and do the same thing, and then tie it off underneath. So again, with the sign, here's a sign, wooden sign with the pipe cleaners. We're going to place that on here. Get your sign where you want it. Take your pipe cleaner, put your needle on it. Go right down through your mesh. Goes right through without any fighting. Doesn't get stuck. No problem. All right, so with the bow also, what you can do with these is if you forget to put your pipe cleaners on, so I'm going to take and put it on here. And then we're going to take this needle and we're going to go up underneath this one. Now there's a pipe cleaner already on here. I'm just showing you for the sake of just for demonstration purposes. If you were to forget to put your pipe cleaner on, it goes right up underneath there, real easy. So again, you can find these in my shop at wreathdecorbydawn.com. You get 3 in a pack. They come in random colors. So this one happens to have yellow, green, and pink. Put these in the baggie. It's a resealable baggie so that you can keep those safe and you won't lose them. And it also comes with a card to tell you where they came from.